Hi, my name is Jesse, and this is my Cube 2 FMOD implementation demo reel. Before I could begin getting sound into my level, I had to create this spreadsheet to keep organized of all my game assets, ticking them off as you see after creating all the variations and implementing them in FMOD. For a majority of the monsters you see in Cube, I cast a friend of mine's voice, then later process certain voice lines with effects before adding them into the game.
You're weak.
This is the sound design session where I created the rocket launcher. You can see here all the different components that make up the sound. My initial idea was to use a cork pull from a wine bottle to emulate the sound of a rocket exiting the mouth of the launcher. The core attack and meat of the sound was taken from a close-mic'd cannon explosion from Boom's Black Powder sound library. To add the mechanized component of the weapon to the sound, I pulled this library recording of a shotgun cock, pitched it down, and dialed it in to taste. Most of the implementations I used on this project consisted of simple multi-sound event containers and randomized pitch and volume modulations. This allows for a bit of a different playback each time the event is triggered in-game. Here is one event where I altered the probability of one of my audio events from playing, based on a percentage when the event is called in to play in Cube.
Health boost. Health boost.
This is FMOD's profiler view, which I consulted to troubleshoot audio playback issues within the game, and while designing and mixing sound of the overall space. Here you can see the profiler session with which I used to compare the player's voice to the sound of the game's rocket launcher being fired. Overall, I had a lot of fun creating and implementing the assets for this game. Thank you so much for taking the time to check it out, and I hope to hear from you soon.